Right, this video we're going to take a look at what a percentage is. In other words, what percentage is something of something. The best way might be to have a look at an example. If I said, well, what percentage of $80 is 30? Okay, so if I had $30 from the original 80, what percentage have I taken? Remember, we've got our little percentages triangle, our ASP triangle. The A stood for our answer amount, what we ended up with. Our S was our starting amount, what did we start with? And the P is the percentage, but it has to be written as a decimal. So remember, if you've got it as a percentage, divide it by 100 to get it to a decimal. So in this question, our 80 is our starting amount. All right, we'll start with $80. What percentage do I apply to get $30? $30 is my answer amount, and it's the percentage, or the P, that I don't know. That's what I'm going to work out. And remember, when we use this triangle, we put our hand over the bit that we want to work out. I want to work out the P, so I'm going to block out the P, and I'm left with the A over S. So I can write that as an equation that says P equals A over S. All I do now is I substitute in the values that I already know. Okay, I know that my A was 30 because I'm given that up here. All right. I know that my starting amount was 80. I'm given that up here, so I'll put 30 over 80. If I do that in my calculator, I'll get a 0.375. Now that's my answer, but that's in decimal form. So to convert that back to a percentage now, I do the opposite of dividing by 100. In other words, I multiply it by 100 and I get 37.5. So I would say that $30 is 37.5% of $80. Good job, well done. Now I could check it. I could start with the 80 and just apply that percentage to see if I get the same answer. So what if I said, well, let's double check by saying, well, what's 37.5% of 80? So if I multiply those together, I get 30, and I'm pretty happy that I've got the right answer. Well done.